your Throat Chakra guides. Vishu, Akash, and their spirit animals. They help you balance your throat chakra so you can share your voice with others. When your throat chakra is out of balance, you may feel embarrassed and scared to speak your truth. When you hang out with the Chakra Kids and use your throat chakra tools, you'll feel honest and expressive. I speak my truth.